In very simple way, you can add a recovery phone number on your Gmail account. Go to your Google Chrome browser and log into your Google account and click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Click on Manage your Google account. On left pane, click on Security and then scroll down. Here you will find Recovery Phone. Click on Recovery Phone and then type your Gmail account password to verify and then click on Next. Here you will find Add Recovery Phone. Click on Add Recovery Phone and select your country code. Then type your phone number. Then click on Next. Again, to verify your phone number, select country code and type the phone number where recovery code will be sent in message and click on Get Code. Collect the code from your mobile SMS and type the code here and then click on Next. And the recovery phone number is added on Gmail or Google account. That's it. This is the easiest way to add recovery phone number on Gmail or Google account.